Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about cabinet trends versus ROI on that cabinet choice. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL, Real Estate Explained, amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So we're talking about cabinet trends versus what's the ROI on that cabinet choice you just made. So you just got these beautiful lime green with sprinkles of coconut cabinets. Now that is an accent piece and a half. But how is the ROI on something like that? Now it depends, of course, on the rest of your decor. But some of the trends that are happening right now is a lot more open cabinet space. This is inspired by like hotels and HGTV a little bit, where it's a lot of more shelving and like some metal is being incorporated into the kitchen and just a lot more open and different looks. Those are really cool. And this is a trend. So it's happening now, 2019. This is something that may continue in the future. It may not, as consumer choices may change. Right? A second trend that's happening is big, bold colors. Now I know that lime green example might seem extreme to some, but black, navy, right? And lime green, believe it or not, are making their way into the kitchen, and they're becoming accent pieces, and they're becoming the pieces of the kitchen that tie it all together. Well, they've always been that, kind of like the tie on a nice suit, right? The piece that ties the whole different colors and the look and feel, brings it all together in unison. But they're getting bolder, and this is another trend we're seeing in 2019, which may carry into 2020, but by 2022 it could totally phase out. That's the thing with trends, right? They don't guarantee you a strong ROI unless you're in the flipping business, a short-term flipping business. If you're gonna be here for a long time for yourself, then choose what makes you happy, right? If you're gonna be here for 2-3 years and you're like, I gotta sell in 2-3 years, I know that for a fact, and I want this to accrue some equity, the safe choice still remains to be plain neutral colors, right? Shaker cabinets with the recessed panel, right? White, light gray, the off beige, those still are the safe, with over like almost 60% of Americans still preferring that style. So if you're looking for something that's gonna get you ROI in the mid-range, definitely go with the neutral. If you're looking for something personal, have fun. And if you're looking for something to flip and stay trendy, two trends right now are those bold accent pieces and the open style flowing, where like more shelving and more metal pieces being incorporated in the kitchen, right? So that's how you compare ROI versus actual trends. Depends on what's right for you. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Another way they ask me how I know it'll be okay.